The Launch Creator System by Jamie Lewis reviews. Easy marketing training programs. Marketing is a key point of a product's sales. Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs may not utilize marketing methods as optimal as possible, so that the sales are much lower than the expectation. If you are just building your own business and want it to be great, make sure to know well the strategies of selling and marketing. This way, your products and services are seen and reached by more people. The Launch Creator System by Jamie Lewis is a program for entrepreneurs who want to market their products even more. It provides training and various learning methods to improve your business income and maintain it. Here are things to know about the program. 1. Selling your products better. If you are interested in business, you may be confused about what kinds of products to sell. Actually, you should not worry too much about this matter. The first recommendation is the product you like and you know the most. This way, you can master it well and simply give insight to your customers. Well, if you think that your favorite product is not marketable, well, the program answers it. You can learn from the Launch Creator System and then get success from it. 2. Online and offline products. Along with the growth of internet users, people change their business directions from online to offline. Media like YouTube and other social media also allow them to make content to be enjoyed by other people out there. But of course, it means that the competitions are getting tight. To be at least successful and still gaining profits with such a tight competition, again, it needs marketing strategies. 3. Launching a site in an easier way. The internet is for everybody, but not all people can take advantage of it well. One of the important things in internet marketing is the presence of a site. The site is likely the main stall of your products. Interestingly, you can gain money also only from person visits to your site. The program enables any one of you to launch sites more easily. It gives you more opportunities to make huge money and develop your business. 4. Creating a better product and content. But, no matter how good your marketing strategies are, it means nothing if the product or content you make is not qualified. Even before starting your marketing process, the product must be prepared well. Jamie Lewis knows this thing very well. Therefore, he also adds some suggestions for you related to the product you want to sell. The program also brings many strategies to be a good content creator. 5. Complete launch systems. Even if you're still new in the world of internet marketing, the program makes it very easy for you. It has complete launch systems starting from swipes and campaigns, webinar training, video tutorial vault, and many more. The Launch Creator System is a tutorial program for entrepreneurs who want to optimize their income from a business. It focuses on marketing, whether online or offline. The steps are simple, even for beginners. You can grab the Launch Creator System by Jamie Lewis now. How to generate up to $300,000 per month with your own product or service. Visit the link below in the description to learn more, and get the Launch Creator System.